Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run faster in Apex Legends. We'll start with the fundamentals. First, recognize that each legend has slightly different base movement speeds. Tactical sprinting offers a significant 30% speed increase, so use it often. Mastering the slide jump is essential. It helps you maintain momentum and cover ground quickly. Finally, practice wall bouncing to swiftly change direction and gain verticality, giving you a tactical advantage in many situations. These basic techniques form the foundation of fast movement. Building on the basics, advanced techniques can elevate your speed. Bunny hopping lets you heal or reload without losing much momentum, keeping you agile in combat. Air strafing gives you fine-tuned control while airborne, perfect for navigating tricky terrain. Super gliding provides an incredible burst of speed right after a climb, making you incredibly difficult to track. And for covering vast distances, mastering zipline super jumps will launch you across the map in mere seconds, surprising your opponents. Certain legends possess abilities that inherently boost their speed. Octane Stim is a prime example, granting a 40% speed increase for 6 seconds, perfect for aggressive pushes or quick escapes. Bangalore's Double Time passive gives her a 30% speed boost when under fire, making her incredibly elusive. Pathfinder's Grappling Hook offers unparalleled mobility for rapid repositioning. Wraith's Into the Void ability makes her invulnerable and slightly faster, allowing for safe rotations or flanking maneuvers. To truly master fast movement, consistent practice is key. Spend dedicated time in the firing range to ingrain these mechanics into muscle memory. Watch professional players to observe how they integrate advanced movement into their gameplay. Develop strong game sense by understanding map layouts, which helps you plan efficient rotations and surprise flanks. Ultimately, seamlessly combining these movement techniques with your gunplay will make you a formidable and incredibly fast opponent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.